First in Odisha. First Chief Minister. Krishna Chandra Gajpati. First Woman Chief Minister. SMT Nandini Satpathy. First Ghana. Sir Chandula Madhav Lal Trivedi. First Central Minister of Odisha. Dr. Harekrishna Mehtab. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Rangnath Mishra. First Woman Commissioner. Ranu Mishra. First Woman IPS Officer of Odisha. Soumya Mishra. First Woman IS. Praganya Parmita Das. First Oriya Lok Sabha Speaker. Rabi Ray. First Autobiography Writer. Fakir Mohan Senapati. First Air Marshal. Saroj Jaina. First Cinema Hall of Odisha. Sitaram Vilas Talkies, SSBT, Berhampur. First Color Oriya Film. Gappa Helebi Sata, 1976. First Newspaper. Utkal Deepika. First Printing Press. Utkal Printing Press. First River Dam. Hirakud. First Daily Newspaper. Dainika Asha. First College. Revanshaw College, Cuttack, 1868. First Medical College. Sri Ram Chandra Bhanja Medical College, Cuttack, 1944. First Engineering College. University College of Engineering. Burla, 1956. First Private Engineering College. Ulisa Engineering College, Bhubaneswar, 1986. First Oriya Poet. Mahakabi Salla Das. First Oriya Everest Mountaineer. Chetana Sahu. First Oriya Arjuna Awardees. Mindy Mohapatra. First Oriya Police Commissioner. Shri Krishna Mohapatra. First Oriya Padma Bhushan Awardees. Professor Pranakrishna Parija. First Oriya Padma Shri Awardees. Lakshmi Narayan Sahu, for education. First Oriya Foreign Justice. Lalithendu Mansingha. First Oriya American Ambassador. Lalithendu Mansingha. First District Collector. Jatindra Nath Mohanty. First Oriya ICS Officer. Neelmani Senapati. First Bharat Ratna Awardee of Odisha. V.V. Giri. First Chief Minister. Krishna Chandra Gajpati. Krishna Chandra Gajpati was a pivotal figure in the formation of a separate Odisha province and became its first Prime Minister, Premier, from 1st April to 18th July, 1937. After India's independence, the title of the leader of the provincial government was changed to Chief Minister, a position he did not hold. First Woman Chief Minister SMT Nandini Satpathy. The First Lady Chief Minister of Odisha Srimati Nandini Satpathy was born in Cuttack and did her degree from Ravenshaw College. She was the author of many poems and short stories and the editor of Oriya Monthly, Kalana. First Ghana Sir Chandula Madhav Lal Trivedi. Sir Chandulal Madhvalal Trivedi, 2nd July 1893, 15th March 1980, was an Indian administrator and civil servant who served as the first Indian governor of the state of Punjab, then East Punjab, after independence in 1947. First Central Minister of Odisha Dr. Harekrishna Mehtab. Harekrishna Mehtab, born Harekrishna Das, 21st November 1899, 2nd January 1987, was a leader of the Indian National Congress, a notable figure in the Indian independence movement and the Chief Minister of Odisha from 1946 to 1950 and from 1956 to 1961. He was popularly known by the sobriquet Utkal Keshri. First Chief Justice of Supreme Court Rangnath Mishra. Rangnath Misra, 25th November 1926, 13th September 2012, was the 21st Chief Justice of India, serving from 25th September 1990 to 24th November 1991. He was also the first chairman of the National Human Rights Commission of India. First woman Commissioner Ranu Mishra. Bhubaneswar, Odisha's first woman Indian Police Service (IPS) officer Soumya Mishra is among the 102 President's Medals for Distinguished Service (PSM) awardees. In 1994 batch IPS officer of Telangana cadre, Mishra is now the Additional Director General (ADG) of Police, Telangana. First woman IS Pragnya Parmita Das. Pragnya Parmita Das is not the first woman IS officer in India. That distinction belongs to Anna Rajam Malhotra. Pragnya Parmita Das appears to be a faculty member at the Regional College of Management and potentially other institutions based on search results showing qualifications for an MBA and teaching positions, as well as another individual with a similar name being a PhD in computer science. There is also mention of a Pragyan Parmita Das being the Lady IS. First Oriya Lok Sabha Speaker Rabi Ray. Rabi Ray, 26 November 1926, 6 March 2017, was an Indian socialist politician, a Gandhian, a Speaker of the Lok Sabha and a former Union Minister. He hailed from Odisha. He joined the Socialist Party in 1948 and later became member of the Sanyukt Socialist Party, the Janata Party and the Janata Dal. First Air Marshal Saroj Jaina. There seems to be a misunderstanding. Air Marshal Saroj Jaina was the first Director General of Inspection and Safety in the Indian Air Force, a post upgraded to Air Marshal rank in 1986, and is notable for the position itself, not for holding an earlier rank of Air Marshal as the first. He served from February 1981 to December 1982 as Air Marshal and held the position of Assistant Chief of the Air Staff, Flight Safety and Inspection, before this promotion. First Cinema Hall of Odisha Sitaram Vilas Talkies, SSBT, Berhampur. The Sri Sitaram Vilas Talkies, SSVT, in Berhampur, founded by A.B. Chettai, was the first cinema hall in Odisha, opening in 1927 after construction began in 1911. The cinema, located near the municipality office in Berhampur, was severely damaged by the 1999 super cyclone, and only the gate remains today. First color Oriya film Gappa Hele Bi Sata, 1976. Gappa Hele Bi Sata is the first fully colored Oriya film from 1976, directed by Nagin Roy, and starring Harish Mohapatra and Banja Mohanty. The film is considered a milestone in the Oriya film industry for its use of color. First newspaper Utkal Deepika. The first Oriya newspaper was the Utkal Deepika, a weekly publication founded by Gaurishankar Ray and Babu Bichitrananda Das on 4 August 1866 in Cuttack, Odisha. The newspaper played a crucial role in the socio-political and linguistic awakening of the Oriya people, advocating for the unification of Oriya-speaking regions and the preservation of the Oriya language. First printing press Utkal Printing Press. The Utkal Printing Press refers to a significant development in Oriya printing, though it was not the first printing press in the region. The first printing press was established in 1837 in Cuttack by missionaries, leading to the printing of the first Oriya book. However, it was the Cuttack Printing Company, founded by locals in 1865, and later the establishment of the Utkala Deepika newspaper in 1866 by Gaurishankar Ray, that marked a turning point, promoting literature as a saleable commodity and fostering a print public in Odisha. First river dam Hirakud. The Hirakud Dam, completed in 1957 across the Mahandi River in Odisha, India, is recognized as one of the first major multipurpose river valley projects initiated after India's independence, rather than the very first river dam built in India. It is known for being the world's longest earthen dam and provides water for irrigation, flood control, and power generation. First daily newspaper Dainika Asha. Dainik Asha was a significant publication in Odisha, established by Sashi Bhusan Rath in 1928 in Brahmpur. It was the first Oriya daily newspaper and played a crucial role in spreading the freedom movement's message and advocating for the unification of Oriya-speaking regions. The newspaper had a prior weekly publication, Asha, which also began in 1913. First college Revanshaw College, Cuttack, 1868. Revanshaw University, formerly known as Revanshaw College, is a co-educational state university situated in Cuttack, Odisha on the eastern coast of India. Founded as Revanshaw College in 1868, the institution became a university in 2006. The university has 9 schools, 33 academic departments and a student enrollment of nearly 8,000. It is one of the oldest educational institutes in the country and its history is synonymous with the history of modern Odisha. First Medical College Sri Ram Chandra Bhanja Medical College. Sri Ram Chandra Bhanja Medical College, SCBMCH, in Cuttack, Odisha, was established in 1944 as the Ulisa Medical College and is one of the pioneer medical institutions in eastern India for medical teaching, training, research, and patient care. It began with an initial intake of 22 students for the MBBS program and has since grown into a large, government-run institution, serving the state and beyond by providing medical services and producing numerous medical and paramedical professionals. First Engineering College University College of Engineering. The University College of Engineering, UCE, Burla, now known as Veer Surendra Sai University of Technology, Vasud, was the first engineering college in Odisha, founded in 1956. While not the first college in all of India or the British Empire, UCE Burla holds the distinction of being the first state engineering college in the region, established to meet the workforce needs of the nearby Hirakud Dam project. First private engineering college Ulisa Engineering College. Ulisa Engineering College, OEC, is the first private engineering college in Odisha, India, founded in 1986 by the Nabajyoti Charitable Trust with the aim of providing quality technical education. Located in Bhubaneswar, OEC was established to serve a broader range of students and contribute to the state's technical landscape. First Oriya poet Mahakavi Salla Das. Mahakavi Salla Das is celebrated as the first poet and originator of Oriya literature in the 15th century, renowned for writing the Oriya Mahabharat, Vilanka Ramayan, and Chandi Purana. He was a contemporary of King Kapilendra of the Gajpati dynasty and helped popularize religious texts in the Oriya language, adapting them for the common people and contributing significantly to the development of Oriya literature. First Oriya Everest mountaineer Chetna Sahu. Jamshedpur, 21st July, mountaineers Pradeep Chandra Sahu and Chetna Sahu became the first couple from Ulisa to climb Metricton, Everest, 29,028 feet, in their third attempt in May 2016. On the other hand, Chetna Sahu, being a Gujarati, became the first Gujarati to reach the summit of Metricton Everest. First Oriya Arjuna awardees Minti Mohapatra. Minti Mohapatra, she holds the distinction of being the first Oriya to receive the Arjuna Award in 1980. At just 15 years old, Minti was equally adept in athletics and cycling, a relatively lesser-known sports discipline at the time. Her medal at the 1970 National Games marked the beginning of her illustrious career. First Oriya Padma Shri awardees Lakshminarayan Sahu, for education. He was awarded Padma Shri in year 1955 for his contributions in field of literature and education. He was also given title of Itihas Ratna for his works and writings on history of Odisha. He was a member of Asiatic Society, President of Odisha Sahitya Academy and also a member of Servants of India Society. First Orhya Foreign Justice Lalithendu Mansingha. Mansingh was born and brought up in Odisha as the middle son of Orhya poet Mayadhar Mansingha. He was born at Nandla, Ramlinka Gram Panchayat, in Puri district of Odisha. He graduated with a master's degree in political science, receiving a gold medal for being top of the class. First Orhya American Ambassador Lalithendu Mansingha. Lalithendu Mansingha, Odisha Pride Lalit Mansingha, born 29 April 1941, is the former Indian diplomat, the Foreign Secretary of India, 1999 to 2000, an Indian ambassador to the United States on 15 March 2001. Prior to this he had remained Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom. First District Collector Jatindra Nath Mohanty. The provided information does not confirm Jatindra Nath Mohanty as the first district collector. Instead, it identifies him as a distinguished philosopher and scholar born in 1928 in Ulisa, India, with no mention of a career as a district collector. The source only lists another person, Jatindranath Swain, as a collector in Perambalur district, Tamil Nadu, between 1997 and 1998. First Bharat Ratna awardee of Odisha V.V. Giri. He was the first president to be elected as an independent candidate. He was succeeded by Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad as president in 1974. After the end of his full term, Giri was honoured by the Government of India with the Bharat Ratna in 1975. Giri died on 24 June 1980.